What's going on? So today we got a video from Police on Scene, and the title of the video is "When a Cheating Spouse Gets Caught Mid-Flight." Ooh, this ain't gonna end well. I can already tell. Let's get into it, man.
October 9th, 2023, the Tampa Airport Police Department was called to an airplane for a call for service. The following shows the body-worn camera footage of what happened during the incident.
Are you working it?
Yeah, actually, I'm one of the supervisors there.
Okay. Huh? Yeah, are you a supervisor?
Yeah.
Okay. You happen to know what a level 1?
I have no idea. Yeah, we're about to find out. Have some putting this side. No, he's standing right there. Okay, so what's going on? He was beating out the lady in the back here to get her. Oh, they were together.
He was hitting her?
Yeah. They were hitting each other. That's what they said happened in the back. So I don't know how that.
Do we have witnesses?
Yes.
Where at?
In the back of the aircraft.
Oh.
So you want them off first? So we had to separate them, like putting him in the exit.
How do you guys want to do it? You want to leave him last, or you want to have him first?
So the thing is, we separated them and we moved him. And we asked if he went back to the back. So we're gonna let them come off, and then they're in the back.
Okay.
So he got up and he went back to the back.
Is there any interference with flight?
With us, really, no.
Okay.
But just a fight and then the witnesses and causing a little commotion. That's about it.
It's going to be a minute until I get another unit. I can't have them together.
You can't have them together?
Not yet.
No?
Just give me 1 second until someone else gets here, and then they can come on.
All right, so they're all in the back right now, so we're just going to let off who's here. And
Yeah,
then
if you want to let them go. 142, they're people in the plane now. You got a good memory.
Yeah, man. I remember a little bit of your history. So.
Yeah, it was about a year. It's almost a year and a half ago.
Yeah.
Cheers.
How about you? But apparently they were assaulting each other.
Yep. We don't know what the levels mean by like any means.
So there was a, I'm a former St. Louis cop.
It happened over Florida? Where it happened?
It happened here, like around Central Florida.
Central.
But yeah, I think they both like assaulted each other. Okay.
Did you see anything by chance?
He's just an idiot. But that's it.
Do you want me to get statements, or you want me to do the Easter egg?
Get the Easter egg done first.
Okay. There's a couple of rows coming out that they were in the back that supposedly saw everything.
Right.
So there's people in there.
Just get their name.
Did you see?
I saw him grabbing at her phone.
Okay. Did you see anything physical or anything like that?
He was grabbing at her phone.
Okay. Did you guys see?
He did threaten her to slap her.
Okay.
And he's like, "You sure you can handle a slap from me?" And then he asked for legal documents. He was threatening to send her to the Dominican Republic. And
So I'm gonna get some information from you real quick, like a phone number and email.
sure.
Threatening to call ICE? She said he was threatening to send her to Dominican Republic. Boy, trying to get ICE involved? Boy. We're going to get back to the video in just 1 second. But first, I want to tell you that my YouTube mentorship program is now open. That means I'm going to help you grow your YouTube channel from 0 to monetization. That means that you will be able to start earning money on YouTube, whether you want to do this full-time or you want to do it part-time just to have a little side money. Who doesn't like side money? I don't know who. It comes with a course, private access to me to ask me any questions or anything like that you need, and a bunch of different other stuff. Click the link in the description and sign up today. It's only $30. That's $1 a day. Back to the video.
Then you're going to talk to this officer right over here. Same thing with you, because if he ends up getting arrested for whatever reason, he'll most likely be placed on a no-fly list because of something like this.
Because he had everybody up on nerves. Everyone was like on their knees and everything.
Okay.
Thank you, though. He was speaking in Spanish to her, and he basically said that after the whole situation with the cops, he was like, after with the cops, we were done with the police, because I was telling him, I was like, the police are out there, and he was like, and then that's when he told her in Spanish. He didn't, I don't know if he knew that I know Spanish, but he was like, yeah. So he was like, watch when we're done with the police, I'm gonna go.
You heard this?
Yes, he said
We're gonna
that.
need a witness there. All right, would you mind writing that down for us?
Yeah.
What's going on, sir?
I'm Officer Vasquez from the airport police. Something happened with you and another female? It was your wife? Alright, we'll talk when we get out here. Yeah.
You see in the telephone everything.
Okay.
Man, I gotta learn Spanish. I ain't gonna lie. What? She knew that? That's good. That stuff comes in handy, man. Especially in Florida.
You know, when you have wife, somebody else talking for the phone, put it, oh, I love, he give me ice cream, she got the 2 minutes.
It happens. There wasn't anything physical. You guys didn't put your hands on each other. Someone's saying something like that. That's why we're here.
I'm mad because you're looking at the phone.
You were looking at her phone.
She talking for another guy.
I got you.
Okay. We understand. We understand.
I'm not happy about that. She.
You guys live here in Florida?
Yes.
You live here? Okay.
And you just yell? You can just yell, that's it?
That's it.
Okay.
Some girl from my country, don't have nothing. You put everything, you got paper, you got everything.
What country?
Dominican Republic. You have paper, you put everything. She talking for another man. Like me, stupid. Like, you know,
How long you been married?
like 5 years.
5 years.
I don't know.
He's my paper. He's my paper. Okay.
Listen, I bagged a lot of joints with that translator, boy. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. You listen, if you a long time, if you've been on my channel for a minute, man, you know I be doing my traveling thing. You feel me? Listen, Spanish joints, you know what I'm saying? Russian joints, you know what I mean? Thai, you feel? Listen, that translator be coming in handy, boy. I be let's go, man.
No? You sure? Hold on.
She don't want to say that he hit her.
Do you have your ID? He has it. Mike, she said he has her ID. Your ID?
No, I don't have my ID. And in pasaporte,
He has it. Don't talk to her.
Hey, why don't you
Yeah.
You got a lot of phones, my man.
She phone. His phone is for cheap.
That's her phone?
I look at his phone, I look at the man talking about, you know?
Okay.
She talking good, I love it.
Este teléfono tú
Yeah,
tu
she
esposa.
She take him, no, one moment. Because I pay for that phone.
That's her phone.
No, it's my phone. I pay for both phones. I pay for everything. She is my wife. I know she no working, she know nothing. I pay for everything.
Yeah, but you can't take her phone, my man. You took
Why
her
not?
phone on the plane? Is that what happened?
No.
Yeah, listen, this ain't DR. And DR, that thing go. That's how that go. Know what I'm saying? Listen, foreign guys, like whether it's right, wrong, whether you agree or disagree, they run their household and they getting shit in order over there. You know what I'm saying? And for example, I pay for everything. She don't work. This is my phone. What the fuck are you talking about? I pay for this. But really, you've gifted it to her. So it's hers, in the eyes of, the law or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's hers. But he like, man, I pay for this motherfucking shit, bro. She don't do nothing around here, boy. And then she talking to another dude trying to pop it for him. Like, come on, man. That'll drive any guy crazy, but this ain't DR. This is the States. So you gotta, you know what I'm saying? It ain't gonna work in your favor, my boy.
Why is the problem? You have wife.
Why? You always carry all her stuff, man. You have her ID, you have everything.
Yeah, because
I understand.
Maybe your wife talking for her.
No?
The problem is she is in Dominican. She have plenty money for everything. She got something in Dominican for working. She have too many time for talking for another man.
Do me a favor, sir. Put your hands behind your back. Hold on, I'll take this bag off. We're gonna take this off so we can handcuff it.
Hell, you want him here?
Yeah, I don't take that off.
Right.
I guess whatever happened on the plane, sir.
What's the problem?
I'll tell you in a second.
Can't be beating on your wife,
My
man.
side's good at least.
Yeah.
All right. So you're being charged with criminal threat. All right. People on the plane heard you made threats to her that you were going to slap her. Flight attendant just came up to me saying that once you're done with the cop,
No.
Flight attendant clearly heard you say that in Spanish. She speaks Spanish.
No.
She's gonna.
I never talk about
Other witnesses.
Do you have anything on you?
Other witnesses said that you're gonna slap her as well. So.
This is her phone?
So you're gonna go for criminal threats, buddy.
You know what?
Criminal threat.
Oh my God.
Yeah, that's what the flight attendants say, and other witnesses saying.
Wow.
Other things that you did.
I never.
Okay.
You lying. You know you said some stuff.
You wear that ring?
Yeah, his ring for.
Because he's got like a lot of her stuff.
Yeah, like he had her ID and stuff.
I just don't want to.
That's what they said too. That he was gonna take all her stuff. He's got all her stuff.
Yeah.
Once you're done with the cops, he's gonna slap
my
her,
wife.
the flight attendant. I know.
I got that.
Yeah, wallet and his phone to the jail.
Well, this is her phone. Yeah, then.
I don't know why.
Let me double check the wallet.
Yeah, multiple witnesses saying.
What's this?
Yeah, one witness, the flight attendant, clearly heard you say that. You're gonna threaten her with the gun. You're gonna kill her with the gun.
Gun? Who would say that?
You want to bring it or no?
Doesn't matter who said that. The flight attendant, one of the flight attendants said that.
Here,
What am I doing now? Because I don't have nothing to do. I need to go to work, not tomorrow.
You're gonna go to jail for the rest of the night.
Tomorrow you'll figure it out.
Yeah, tomorrow you can get bailed out, talk to a judge.
Maybe be a little more sober tomorrow too.
Yeah.
So buff a little bit. All right.
Because everything is mine.
This is your phone or her phone? Your phone, right?
It's my phone too.
How many phones do you have? 3?
No, I got her phone. I took it out.
This is.
Let me walk down with him, and then. Yeah,
We're gonna this. We put over that. We're 15.
Control. You can make it primary.
You understand, sir, or no?
I understand a little bit. I don't know why.
I mean, we got witnesses saying you made threats, and that's enough probable cause. But
I got
this
his
is
ID too.
okay.
Up
To the house?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I need to talk to somebody for
Who? Lawyer?
something.
Yeah, maybe.
You should talk to a lawyer. Absolutely. I would recommend that. If you're getting a divorce, you're gonna have to talk to a lawyer.
No, yeah, the boss, yeah, for tomorrow because I need to go to work tomorrow.
Yeah, so you'll post. You know what a bond is? A bond. You'll pay money. They'll take his chain off too when he gets there.
Yeah, and his watch.
Chain,
Okay.
and his watch.
All right, listen, you can go in here.
Go ahead, sit down, brother.
This is up front with me, okay? You okay? I know it's tight. I know. I'm sorry.
My car. I just walked over because I was doing a welfare check.
Okay. You okay? You're okay.
You don't have a witness statement.
I probably do.
All suspects are innocent until proven.
Yeah, this ain't DR, man. You can't be threatening your wife, bro. That's pretty much what it come down to, man. Even though you upset, you know, you're accusing her of cheating or whatever, you know, or maybe you did catch her, you know what I'm saying? Like, I mean, that'll drive any man crazy, you know, like this your wife, you know, whatever. He probably works here and she probably goes back and forth or whatever. We're just speculating, but he said, you know, she been in DR, she got, you know, she doing her thing. She got time to talk to other guys. So, you know, oh, man, you know, she probably talking to other foreigners. Shit, let me hit her up. Let me see. No, I'm playing. I ain't wrecking no homes, man. I ain't wrecking no homes. But mommy, hey, my phone is open. I'm single, baby. But anyway, let me stop, man. I rate them officers, man. I give them a 3. They did pretty well. They get a 3. You know what I'm saying? It's satisfactory, you know. Let me know in the comment section what you rate them.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.